Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 13th, 2019, and I wanted to give you an update on the Million Bell seedlings. They are getting their true leaves, so it is time to start feeding them. So I'm going to be feeding them with a 1/4 teaspoon of Miracle Grow all-purpose plant food to a gallon of water, and I will feed these once a week with this mixture. And one thing you want to make sure when you feed your seedlings is that the soil is nice and moist, because we don't want to burn the root systems. And one of the reasons why we feed the seedlings is to help them develop a strong, healthy root system. So you can see here there was only one where I think only 2 came up in, but the rest of them are coming up. They're growing very well for me. I'm very pleased. I did move them closer to the light, and I took them out from under their covering. So I'm going to show you how to feed them here, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I moved my seedlings out from under the light so I could get to them better, and I'm just going to be taking an eyedropper and just giving them a little bit of food. And I'm going to do this with each one of them. And this is going to give them the nutrients that they need to grow for us. Now, I don't mix it really strong. I just do a 1/4 teaspoon of the Miracle Grow all-purpose plant food to a gallon of water. And because they're seedlings, you don't want to mix your plant food too strong, because you can burn the root systems on them, and then you're done. So this is just a really light mix of plant food. I've been using this for years on my seedlings, and I've never had an issue with it. So I will, as these get older and they get more leaves and they get bigger, increase the plant food on them. There we go. So you can see here, these are their true leaves and what they look like here. Camera focus in if it will. There we go. There, it focused in. And this is my first time ever growing Million Bells from seed. I'm very pleased with how they're growing and how they're doing for me. Now my light is on an automatic timer for 14 hours a day. And I am keeping my seed starting mix moist, but not soggy. So as these continue to grow, I will come back with more videos, and I will show them to you. If you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below, and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells me to put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I will have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. And you can get updates on how plants are doing, what's coming up, videos, and all different kinds of things. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!